For 60 years, Baird Brothers has taken great pride in being a trusted cornerstone within the hardwood lumber industry. While there are many unknowns at the moment, we also understand the impact that manufacturing and production have on the economy, both locally in Northeast Ohio and nationally. In response to the evolving coronavirus situation, we are making short-term adjustments to proactively remain stable during the national state of emergency enacted by our President March 13th, 2020. Our goal is to continue to meet our customers' needs to the best of our ability while keeping our employees and community working and healthy. At the current time, Baird Brothers is able to accept orders online at bairdbrothers.com, over the phone, and in our showroom. We are still delivering regionally within a 100-mile radius of our facility and shipping nationwide via ground and LTL carriers. We are encouraging all of our valued customers to focus on their own personal safety by following the guidelines set forth by the CDC and the state and local health departments. In order to limit exposure, we encourage regional customers to utilize our will call pickup. It is a quick and easy option and provides an open air environment for both our staff and customers. Will call orders are currently maintaining our 2-hour pickup time. Simply follow the instructions at our website stated on your order receipt. Pull up to Building 4 located at the right of our showroom to receive your order and be on your way. Please know that at this time of uncertainty, the Baird family is committed to working with you as your needs evolve. Our quality and focus remain unwavering. The actions that we are taking are not out of fear, but instead out of caution and guidance from our local, state, and federal leadership to help weather this storm. We will do our best to remain fully functional and will provide future updates as the business landscape changes. We wish you and your loved ones the best of health and look forward to brighter days ahead. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America.